Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the past paper questions like those are from the Kip's book, and these are the past paper MCQs which came in MDCAT from 2000. And yeah, this first question which came 2000 in 2010. This is the question which came in 2010. So let's see the question. The question is the coordination number of Na plus in NaCl is. The coordination number is same of Na and chlorine. Chlorine और Na का दोनों का coordination number same होता है, which is 6. This is what you will learn. Question number 2 is in the structure of NaCl each sodium ion is surrounded by. तो इस NaCl के स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर हर सोडियम आयन 6 क्लोरीन आयन से सराउंड हुआ है और हर क्लोरीन 6 सोडियम आयन से सराउंड हुआ है. 6 should be the correct. This is came from MDCAT 2013. Then this is from NUMS 2019. Which of the following is the highest lattice energy? तो लैटिस एनर्जी बेसिकली एक ऐसा एलिमेंट जिसके अंदर बेसिकली आयोनिक रेडियाई कम हो, जैसे कि लिथियम हैव लेस आयोनिक रेडियाई, कैटाइन and chlorine have less ionic radii means anions. So this means they have the highest lattice energy. Question number 4. Electrical conductivity of graphite is greater in one direction. This came in 2016. The electrical conductivity of graphite is greater in one direction than another due to. तो बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्टिविटी ग्रेफाइट की ज़्यादा होती है एक ही डायरेक्शन के अंदर, दूसरियों के अंदर नहीं होती क्योंकि इसकी एनाइसोट्रॉपिक बिहेवियर है. Question number 5 है in a diamond each of the 4 outer electrons on every carbon atom is involved in covalent bond. डायमंड के अंदर हर चारों जो बाहर के इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो हैं इन्वॉल्व इन कोवलेंट बॉन्डिंग के अंदर. दिस मीन्स दैट देयर इज नो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन अवेलेबल. Which of the following property exhibit? So diamond do not conduct heat or electricity because there is no free electron available, because diamonds all electrons are occupied in covalent bonding. Question number 6. Graphite is one of the allotropic form of carbon. It is. तो ग्रेफाइट हमारे पास एक एलोट्रोपिक फॉर्म है कार्बन का जो कि एनाइसोट्रोपिक है और समटाइम इट हैज गुड कंडक्टिविटी कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. So D would be the correct option. Question number 7 is substance that have sharp melting point is. तो एक ऐसा substance जिसके पास sharp melting point हो, that is diamond. Last question number 8. The lattice energy is also called as. तो lattice energy को ही हम दूसरा नाम देते हैं crystalline energy. Lattice energy is known as crystalline energy. So I hope these are the past paper questions and these are clear to you. Must watch this. So tomorrow we're gonna do some more questions. Till that, bye bye.